Portugal. It doesn't shout, it hums. In its cobblestone streets, salt-laced air, and melancholic melodies, this small country on Europe's western edge invites us to slow down and feel. From sunlit plazas to shadowed cathedrals, Portugal tells its story not in grandeur but in grace. Welcome to Roam the Cities, where we explore the world's most dynamic destinations, one city at a time. Let's begin in Lisbon, the capital, a city built on 7 hills, kissed by sunlight and shaped by the sea. At the heart stands Belém Tower, a 16th century sentinel that once watched over explorers heading into the unknown. Nearby, the Jerónimos Monastery whispers stories of the Age of Discovery, carved into creamy Manueline stone. Further north, Porto leans over the Douro River, a city where Baroque churches and tile-covered facades gleam in the Atlantic light. Don't miss the Livraria Lello, said to inspire J.K. Rowling. And the Dom Luís Bridge, perfect for a golden hour stroll. Now, we slow down in Alfama, Lisbon's oldest neighborhood. Here, laundry lines crisscross the sky, and Fado songs drift from tiny taverns. This is Portugal's soul-layered, weathered, and proud. In Porto's Ribeira district, colourfully stacked houses reflect in the river. It's a place to sip strong coffee, watch boats bob, and just linger. Venture south to Lagos in the Algarve, where whitewashed homes contrast with ochre cliffs. Local fishermen still mend nets on the shore, and you're never far from a sea breeze. Next, we wander to Sintra, a fairy tale escape nestled in misty hills. The Pena Palace bursts in colour, but it's the mossy paths of Quinta da Regaleria, with its mysterious initiation well, that truly enchanted. For solitude, seek out Monsaraz, a tiny hilltop village in the Alentejo region. Time slows here. From the medieval walls, you can watch the sunset over olive groves and vineyards. And in Lisbon, slip into the Museu do Azulejo, a quiet tribute to Portugal's iconic tiles. Each panel is a poem in colour and clay. Ah, the flavours of Portugal. Start with a warm pastel de nata from Pastéis de Belém, flaky, creamy, and dusted with cinnamon. In Porto, try francesinha, a meat lover's monument, or bacalhau à brás, a humble salt cod disc that's oddly comforting. Markets like Mercado da Ribeira in Lisbon or Mercado do Bacalhau in Porto offer a feast for the senses, fresh seafood. Cured sausages rich in garlic and local cheeses. Pair it all with a glass of Vinho Verde or a deep red from the Douro Valley. And of course, finish with port wine, aged in barrels older than memory. Some of the best views require little effort. Take the Elevador de Santa Justa for sweeping Lisbon views, or climb to the Miradouro da Senhora de Monte and watch trams snake through terracotta rooftops. In Porto, catch the sunset from the Jardins do Palácio de Cristal, where peacocks strut among palm trees. In the Algarve, the sea-carved cliffs of Ponta da Piedade glow gold at dusk. Bring a wide lens and your sense of awe. Spring and early fall are Portugal's sweet spots, balmy, blooming, and blissfully uncrowded. In June, Lisbon erupts in colour for the Festas de Santo Antonio, where sardines sizzle on grills and locals dance in the streets. Summers shimmer with festivals but bring crowds and heat. Winter, mild and misty, is perfect for sipping port by candlelight and hearing Fado sung in smoky bars. Portugal doesn't beg for your attention, it rewards it. It's in the clink of ceramic coffee cups, the patient waves of the Atlantic, the quiet resilience of a country that remembers its past and still dares to dream. Here, every tile tells a tale, every street invites you to wander, and every meal is a chance to linger, listen, and fall just a little more in love. Thank you for joining me on Roam the Cities, where we uncover the spirit of the world's most remarkable places. Until next time, travel thoughtfully, explore deeply, and always roam with purpose. Share your own Portugal moments in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell to follow our next adventure.